Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to accept compliments in Mandarin. What do native Chinese speakers actually say when respond to a compliment? As always, let me give you some examples. The first one, 哪里哪里. Don't get me wrong. It's not that you would understand. 哪里哪里 is a modest response to a compliment in Chinese. Here is an example. 你的中文讲得真好。You speak great Chinese. 你的中文讲的真好。You speak great Chinese. 你的中文讲得真好。You can say 哪里哪里。It means not at all. It's not that great, or it is nothing worth mentioning. Not at all. 你的中文讲得真好。你的中文讲得真好。You speak great Chinese. 你的中文讲得真好。哪里哪里 Not at all. In many cases, you can add 您过奖了 after 哪里哪里 means I am flattered. 你做得太棒了。你做的太棒了。You did such an amazing job. You did such an amazing job. 你做的太棒了。你做的太棒了。You did such an amazing job. 哪里哪里，您过奖了。哪里哪里。您过奖了。Oh, it's nothing. I'm flattered. It's nothing or not at all. 哪里哪里，您过奖了。I'm flattered. 你做的太棒了。你做的太棒了。你做的太棒了。You did such an amazing job. 哪里哪里，您过奖了。哪里哪里，您过奖了。您过奖了。 It's nothing. I'm flattered. Of course, other ways to accept compliments in Chinese, such as 谢谢, better with an honest smile, or 谢谢, and then giving back a compliment as well. For example, 你今天真好看。你今天真好看。You look perfect today. 谢谢，你今天也很好看。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。我喜欢你的妆容。谢谢。谢谢。你今天也很好看。很好看。You look nice too. 我喜欢 I like 喜欢。你的妆容。I like your makeup. 谢谢 Thanks. 你今天也很好看。You look nice too. 我喜欢你的妆容。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。Thanks so much. You look nice too. I like your makeup. You look nice too. I like your makeup. 你今天真好看。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。Last but not least, the following cases can be used in family or close friends only. See? 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。Let's write it first. 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。It means flattery will get you nowhere.你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。你拍我马屁， 我也不会帮你的。你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。Flattery will get you nowhere. 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的？说吧，有什么事 ？What do you want? 说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的？What do you want? 说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的 ？How can I help? What do you want? 说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的？说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的 ？What do you want? 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。Flattery will get you nowhere. Okay, let's review. 你的中文讲的真好。You speak great Chinese. 你的中文讲的真好。你的中文讲的真好。你的中文讲的真好。哪里哪里 ？Not at all. 哪里哪里？哪里哪里？你的中文讲得真好。哪里哪里？你做的太棒了。你做的太棒了。You did such an amazing job. 你做的太棒了。哪里哪里？您过奖了。哪里哪里？您过奖了。It's nothing. I'm flattered. 你今天真好看。你今天真好看。You look perfect today. 你今天真好看。你今天真好看。谢谢。你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。你今天真好看。谢谢，你今天也很好看。我喜欢你的妆容。You look nice too. I like your makeup. 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。Flattery will get you nowhere. 你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。你拍我马屁，我也不会帮你的。说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的？说吧。有什么事要我帮忙的 ？What do you want? 说吧，有什么事要我帮忙的 ？Okay, what's the most commonly used phrase to accept compliment in your country? Let me know in the comment, please. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.